Hey, how's it going today? Taylor Grassmick over here. So I want to make you a quick video going over how we've been helping dentists bring in high value dental leads without taking all the risk. Okay, I'm going to show you how we've been helping our partners find people that are searching for their services on Google and turn them to in-the-door patients that hopefully become lifetime members of your practice, okay? So keep in mind, this isn't for everyone. It's for serious, dedicated dentists that want to grow and expand and bring in the number of patients monthly, okay? So in this video, we're going to be uncovering how you can get dental patients same day and not have to worry about SEO taking forever. As a business owner myself, I wouldn't want to wait 6 to 10 months to see if something's going to kick in or not. So I'm going to show you how we can really shorten that time frame up and start getting you calls as soon as tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to show you how we target high value patients like Invisalign, like TMJ, like dental implants, dentures, cosmetic dentistry, high value procedures to help you get a higher return on your investment and a bigger bang for your buck. Okay, do the procedures that are making you money. Okay, how this channel is a perfect add-on or replacement to any existing AdWords or SEO strategies that you may already be implementing. If you already dip your toes in the internet marketing game, this doesn't have to mess with that at all. This can be something you do on the side to just add to the volume of patients and churn you some good quality leads in every single month. And lastly, I want to show you how we can do this all without any risk to you on your end, which is probably my favorite part. Okay, so if we hop on over here to Google, we type in dental implants San Diego. We have 4 ads pop up here at the top. Then we get down to the map pack down here, and then we're down here into the organic rankings. And we end the page off with some ads. So what I want to talk about today is the ad section because it works the best for creating immediate results. The map pack and SEO and the organic rankings down here are definitely good places to be, but it takes time. It takes about 6 to 10 months of a solid SEO campaign to move yourself into these top positions here. But the cool thing about right here is you can be there as soon as tomorrow. This is the Google AdWords section, the pay-per-click section. And this is where Google makes all their money at. And it's the first thing people are seeing when they type in your services on Google. So how many people are searching up these keywords, these things that you want to rank for? Well, if we look in San Diego, California alone, we have Invisalign, 1,000 to 10,000 people. Dental implants, 1,000 to 10,000 people. TMJ, 1,000 to 10,000. All of these search terms are going crazy right now, and there's a ton of people looking. There's tens of thousands of people looking for what you are providing. So how can we position ourselves in this space, start getting clicks, start getting phone calls, and do it all for a good price? How do we do that? Well, you would think to get into these rankings right here, you would have to pay, whoever pays the most takes home this top spot, and this person's second and third and fourth. But actually what Google does, instead of just basing it off a price, being as customer centric as they are, is they also factor in this thing called the quality score. What the quality score is kind of a fancy way of saying user experience, okay? How are people interacting with your ad? How many people are clicking on your ad? How many people are calling you off of it? How well does your landing page interact with what the ad is about, what the keyword they typed in is, okay? And it's really something that can make or break your AdWords campaign and save you a lot of money, because you see in this example right here, advertiser 1 is paying $2 a click, advertiser 4 is paying $8 a click. But because advertiser 1 took so much time to work on their quality score and really built themselves a solid quality score, and advertiser 4 didn't spend any time on it, advertiser 1 still took home the top spot, even though they're paying 1/4 of the price. Okay? And the reason that is because they just put time into this. And what is this factor? What all goes into the quality score, right? The click-through rate is the biggest. According to Google's chief economist, over 60% of the quality score is determined by the click-through rate. Other things that factor in is the ad relevance to the keyword. Remember that. And the landing page quality and the landing page relevance, okay? And this is where we have a chance to move in, because we've really figured out how to really nail all three of these things down and separate ourselves from the competition and just do a little bit more work that provides a lot more results, okay? Because this is what most advertisers are currently doing. They have their campaign set up for their business. They have a couple ad groups set up, and then they have a bunch of keywords that they want to be ranking for and services they provide down here. And the more keywords you have under one ad group, the less specific it's going to be. And you're just going to be getting a lot of, irrelevant clicks, fraudulent clicks, and a lower quality score, which is in turn going to raise the price to compete in that space. What we've done to combat this and really push ourselves away from the competition is we do this thing called the one-to-one method. Okay, and what it's going to lead to is more relevant clicks, a higher quality score, and that's going to lower your cost per click and get you more clicks for less price. It's a win-win. And what we're doing is we're setting up an ad group individually for each keyword. So every keyword that people are typing in, we're going to have an ad with that exact headline. That way it's going to increase the click-through rate, because people love clicking on exactly what they're typing in, the thing that's most relevant to what they typed in. So if your ads match up with what they're typing in every single time, obviously that's going to raise the click-through rate and the amount that people are interacting with your ad. Okay? So what we do is we really nail down the long tail. You're going to have people that are just searching dentist. You're going to have people that are searching best dentist San Diego. And then you're going to have people that are typing in best Invisalign dentist in San Diego. You're going to have more and more long tail keywords, and there's a lot of them. Okay, so what we do is we optimize for the long tail. That way when people are hitting these obscure niche key terms in the Google search box, you're going to be what's popping up with an ad that matches what they typed in. So it raises your probability conversion greatly, and it's going to really help you bring in more people. You see in this right here, San Diego dental implants. This one's a pretty common search term. This is one of the main ones. But you see, not even everyone here. See, these people didn't even put San Diego in their title. Neither did these guys. So there's a lot of advertisers not doing what it takes. And as you get more and more long tail, the lazier and lazier internet marketers tend to get. Okay? But you don't have to worry about all this fancy stuff. All you need to know is that we know what works, okay? We know what the ad copy is going to be. We know the search term to ad relevance. We're going to set up geographic relevance so that only people in your area are going to be the people that are seeing your ads, okay? Long tail usage in ad copy, hundreds and thousands of keywords, time and day of week bidding. We handle all this. We set up a beautiful landing page that's relevant to the key term. Load speed of your website is going to increase. The performability across the devices is going to be seamless. Okay, we make it easy for the Google bots to crawl. We set all this up. You don't have to worry about any of this. There's really no risk on your end at all, because we do the pay per lead model, meaning you're not paying any money unless you get a phone call or detailed lead form filled out on your website. Okay, so we pay the initial cost for everything. We set up the AdWords account, the landing page, even bid on the keywords until you start getting leads. This should show you how confident we are in the process that we're doing and the value that we provide. Okay, we're putting all of the pressure on us and taking it off of you. We don't believe in long-term contracts. We want to be held accountable month after month for keeping you happy and new patients coming in the door. And most of these internet marketers are going to try and sign you on a long contract because they know they're not going to deliver what they're saying they're going to deliver. And you're going to want to quit, but you're going to be locked into a longer contract, okay? So we want to provide value for you month after month. I understand as dentists, you don't automatically have people be coming back in the door just because. You have to do a good job every single time and keep providing that value to make them want to keep coming back. So I believe on the same thing over here on our end. The only risk to you really is if your office doesn't follow up with the leads. If you have someone that can book appointments and take phone calls and get back to these leads, you're going to be in a great position to become successful with this process. Okay, so really lastly, I want to go over why I work with dentists. Our values align. You guys are honest and trustworthy people. Customer service comes before making money. This is very, very important to me. Before dentists, I was working with lawyers, and lawyers, as we all know, are a little bit more money-minded. They'll say anything it takes to make an extra dollar. Okay, and that's not really the type of person I am, and that's not what I'm about. And I didn't want to work around that environment and those type of people. Okay, you guys provide honest value to people, and customer service comes first. You're making people's lives better. And while I'm maybe not bringing the value of a brand new smile and new confidence in the world to people on a daily basis, I am bringing internet leads and dental leads to dentists that need them, who don't know how to do internet marketing, and providing value in that way. And it's honest value that I can be happy about, because it's a win-win. You make money if I make money. You know what I mean? And we grow this together and expand and bring you a whole new client base. Okay, so please feel free to contact us today. We're looking for someone in the San Diego area. Our team has worked with dentists and we know what works. You're only paying for the leads you're receiving. There's no long-term contracts involved. We're looking to build a partnership. We're bringing 30 to 50 new leads in monthly for our dentists. I don't know how I could really make this any easy and less risk adverse to you, okay? This might be the easiest chance you have to really dip your toes in the internet marketing world and see what it's all about. Okay, so the internet is only becoming more and more relevant. How long are you willing to wait? How long before you start bringing in all these tens of thousands of people that are looking for you month after month? Okay, so thank you for spending your time with me today. Please feel free to email me back, taylor@taylormade.marketing. I would love to speak with you, figure out how we can implement some of these things into your practice and start helping you bring these people looking for you. Okay, so once again, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out.